Hello, I am Dr. Shashi Agrawal. I am the consultant gynecologist and obstetrician in Agrawal Healthcare, Bangalore. Following delivery, with or without tubal ligation, there is normally a brownish discharge from the vagina. This is called lochia. Initial few days after delivery, this lochia is red like a heavy period, and after 2 to 4 days it becomes lighter. It may be pinkish or brownish discharge, which is very normal. It goes on till about 10 days, after which it becomes white or yellowish in color and much scantier. Normally this discharge lasts for about 2 to 4 weeks after delivery, and in few women it may be longer and intermittent on and off for about a month or more. This is very normal, and any discharge which is very foul smelling or associated with fever or itching or any other complication should be investigated. In women using birth control pills immediately after delivery, this discharge may last sometimes longer, up to a month, and it may be intermittent for some time.